going to be talking about adding and subtracting polynomials. So a couple of things to remember when we're doing this. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you do keep change. You want to make sure that you have all addition signs when you are adding or subtracting polynomials. Second, you want to make sure that you're going to combine like terms. And third, you're going to write it in standard form, which means your largest exponent is going to be first all the way down to your smallest exponent. All right, so we're going to start with the first addition problem, adding polynomials. You'll notice that we have here a binomial plus a binomial. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that we have all addition signs. So I'm going to go ahead and do a keep change here. So this would be plus negative. So now I'm going to rewrite it. And because they're all addition signs now, plus, 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 we are going to use CPA. So we are going to write 4y plus negative 7y plus 5 plus negative 1. That's why it's very important to make sure that you do keep change and have all addition so that you can do CPA and you can combine the like terms, putting them next to each other so that you can simplify them. So now we're going to have negative 3y plus 4 is our binomial, and that is our answer. All right, let's look at the next one. I only have one subtraction sign here, so I'm going to go ahead and do keep change. And now I'm going to rewrite it using CPA. So I have 2m squared plus m squared plus 6m plus negative 5m plus 7. 3m squared plus m plus 7. I have a trinomial for my answer. Notice that when I was adding these two terms, my exponents do not change. And the only reason that I can add them is because the variable and the exponent match identically. So then I just do the math operation with the coefficient. So it's 2 plus 1 gives me 3. 6 plus negative 5 gives me 1. And then I don't have anything else, and I'm adding to 7, so plus 7. Now we're going to subtract a binomial from a trinomial. First thing that we're going to look at is the subtraction sign. And so we're going to do keep change on that. But when we do that, we have to add a 1 here so that we have something that we can hang the negative on. So it's going to be keep change. Now I'm going to go ahead and rainbow that negative 1. So I'm going to have 4k squared plus 8k plus 2 plus negative 2k plus negative 3. Now I'm going to do CPA. 4k squared plus 8k plus negative 2k plus 2 plus negative 3. 4k squared plus 6k minus 1 is my trinomial answer. Now we've got as many possible negatives as we can have. So this is already a negative. So we're going to do keep change. So this becomes a negative 1p. Keep change becomes a negative 9. Now we're going to keep this whole parentheses change. Add our 1 in here so we can add the negative to it. And then we're going to rainbow. So this is going to be negative 4p squared plus negative 1p plus negative 9 plus negative p squared plus 3p plus 1 because the negative 1 times p squared is negative p squared. Negative 1 times negative 3, positive 3. Negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. CPA is next. Negative 4p squared plus negative p squared plus negative 1p plus 3p plus negative 9 plus 1. So I have negative 4p squared plus another negative 1p squared is going to give me negative 5p squared plus 2p minus 8. And that is my trinomial answer. And now you know how to add and subtract polynomials.